మహాశివరాత్రి పర్వదినాన మన ముందుకొస్తున్న యూత్ఫుల్ ఎంటర్టైనర్ శ్రీకారం రేపే విడుదల. అనిల్ రావిపూడి ప్రెజెంట్ సూపర్ కామెడీ ఎంటర్టైనర్ గాలి సంపత్. రేపే గ్రాండ్ రిలీజ్.
The Amaze or new Amaze with this is a third generation vehicle, sir. So they have changed some front fascia of this new Amaze. So here you have the chrome finishing with Honda logo.
Okay.
Honda logo, which tells the heritage of Honda. Apart from that, if you see the design of the car is, it's very attractive as well as it's very safe. Because the this is a Ace body structure platform made, sir. This is the second model, sir, in Amaze. We have around 4 variants in Amaze. One is E model, sir. Then we have S model. And we have a V model. Then we have a VX model.
So దీనికి మనకి నెక్స్ట్ మోడల్ కి ఏంటంటే థర్డ్ మోడల్ ఆర్ హై ఎండ్ మోడల్స్ కి చేంజెస్ ఏంటి?
So engine wise everything will be same. Engine power, boot space, length, width, height, everything will be same. The changes you get in model to model is like you will get the convenience feature additional. Suppose like in this you don't have a button start and all. The next version will have a more convenience feature. Instead of key you will have a button start. And you have a keyless entry. Petrol and diesel we have different ground clearance, sir. And we have a automatic vehicle also in this. Whereas CVT transmission you don't find in any other cars in this segment generally. So if you go with the CVT transmission, it is a continuous variable transmission, sir. CVT is a technology which is advanced in automatic. So if you see in automatic, if you are choosing automatic car, CVT is one of the transmissions you can choose.
Is that available in your showroom?
Yes, we have in petrol as well as in diesel. So in CVT we have it's available in 3 versions only. So దీని వల్ల ఇది డిజైన్ దీనిలో మీకు విజిబిలిటీ ఎక్కువ వస్తుంది. And apart from that, the bulb in like whatever bulb is there in this, that is a durable for long time. You do not to change the bulb also. In some cars, in some manufacturers, they give you spare bulbs with the car. But we don't give the spare bulb because we have a trust on the build quality of the bulb also. So you have a 14 inches tire, sir, in the S version and E version, and you have a wheel caps for this car. Is this version. The other top two version come with alloy wheels with 15 inches tire. So the top 2 versions has alloys with a 15 inches tire. So ground clearance for this car is 170 mm, sir. Whereas for diesel is 172 mm. Because the engine is bigger. So that's the reason. Generally Honda people will see the ground clearance much. Previously used to have a lesser ground clearance. Now it's 170 is more than enough for any city driving or any other bumpy roads or path holes and all. You can easily travel in this car. It's very attractive as well as it is very it gives you good stability when you drive on highway also. So when you are traveling on high speed on highways or something, the air generally comes from the front side. So when it goes to the air dampers from here towards the engine, because generally like you will have engine will also get cooler, and it will not take the car shape with the shape of the car. And it will spread in different directions. So that the air will not take the car shape and you can easily travel. So when you see the rear side of the car, sir, the shape of the boot is attractive as well as stylish. Whereas if you see the tail lamps, it's a C-shaped tail lamp, sir. And it gives a better visibility of third person also. If your third person also can see the car light easily whenever you're stopping the car. And you have a high mount stop lamp, sir. If the car coming from a far way, the person can see that you are stopping the car. So these are safety features which will be there in this car, sir. So you have a 420 liters boot space, sir, one of the highest boot space in the segment. And apart from that, like if you see any other car in this segment, you don't have this much of boot space. This is the lower end model, sir. So in the top end, you have a camera which will be fixed here, and you have a which you can be visible in the touch screen, which is there in the like you will have a navigation, you will have a Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. If you want to mirror, like you can use your phone, you can connect your Apple CarPlay, and you can use it. Like you have a sensors from the basic second model itself, S model, but camera you will get in a top model itself.
Okay.
Because touch screen and camera you have in a top end model.
Okay.
This is a S version key, sir.
Okay.
You have a lock unlock in the key itself.
Okay.
So in top end model you will have a keyless entry and all.
Okay.
But still in this version also you can get a like lock unlock on the key itself only. So
okay.
you can use that. When you unlock the door, you can just get into the car, and the opening of the door is wider. So if the old age person is sitting also, they can comfortably get in, get out. And these are the switches, sir. You have electrical adjustable mirrors. This is a power window switches you have, sir.
Acha. Okay.
And this is a auto one touch power window down.
Okay.
You have to press once and it will get down.
Only
For driver side, only for the convenience of the driver, we have kept this. And you have a power window cluster also. So suppose any children are sitting at the rear, they tend to operate in the windows.
Yeah.
So if you want to lock, you can lock it. Foldable mirrors, electrical foldable mirrors. One touch, you can fold the and you can unfold it.
Okay.
Suppose you can carry the bottles in this.
Okay.
Each door has separate bottle. Tilt steering, so you can tilt up and down.
Okay.
So however you want, you can adjust it.
Driving.
Depends on your driving position and comfortable position. You can adjust it.
Okay.
And you have audio controls and Bluetooth connectivity on the steering.
Okay.
Suppose while driving, if you want to change the channels or tracks, you can change from here.
Okay.
And if you want to increase the volume also, you can increase from here.
Okay.
And you have a Bluetooth connectivity. You can lift the call and you can end the call from it itself.
Okay.
Whenever you on the car, you will find this symbol, sir. So this is like door opening symbol as door is open, and you have a seat belt reminder, and you have a airbag symbol, and you have a battery symbol, steering symbol, and all these symbols, like this is engine malfunction symbol, sir.
Okay.
Whenever suppose once you start the car, this all symbol should be gone.
Okay.
Suppose any symbol is reflecting, you have a problem in that particular function. And you have a speedometer as well as RPM meter in this, sir.
Okay.
And you have a digital fuel meter, and you have a time setting and all. You have some changes, trip A, trip B, average kilometers, all this you can see in this car.
And average kilometers
per liter.
మనము ఇప్పుడున్న పెట్రోల్ తో మనం ఎంత దూరం వెళ్ళగలం?
Average ఎంత ఇస్తుంది మీ వెహికల్, లైక్ మీ 1 కిలోమీటర్లో ఎంత ఇస్తుంది. మనకు విండ్షీల్డ్ కూడా వైడ్ ఉంటుంది సార్, మీకు విజిబిలిటీ కూడా చూస్తే ఈజీగా విజిబిలిటీ ఉంటుంది. ఇన్ సమ్ కార్డ్స్ ఈ పిల్లర్ వచ్చేసి మీకు రిఫ్లెక్షన్ స్టాప్ చేస్తుంది, కానీ దీని డిజైన్లో మీకు విజిబిలిటీ చాలా క్లియర్ ఉంటుంది మీరు కూర్చొని చూస్తే. ఇంకొకటి మీకు ఫంక్షన్ హైట్ అడ్జస్టబుల్ డ్రైవర్ సీట్ ఉంటుంది సార్, మాన్యువల్గా మీరు అడ్జస్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ నాట్ ఫీలింగ్ కంఫర్టబుల్, యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ ఇంక్రీజ్ ద హైట్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ యూ కెన్ డిక్రీజ్ ద హైట్. సో ఈ డాష్బోర్డ్ ఎట్లా అంటే చాలా వైడ్ ఇచ్చేస్తారు కొంతమంది, దానివల్ల స్పేస్ అనేసి చాలా తగ్గిపోతుంది క్యాబిన్లో. ఈ చిన్న సెగ్మెంట్ వెహికల్లో కూడా మీకు స్పేస్ రావడం కారణం ద ఇంటెలిజెంట్లీ యూజ్ అండ్ మేనేజ్ స్పేస్ ఇన్ ద కార్.
Okay.
So they have managed well whatever like is there. Limited space they have used for limited things. So you have a 5+1, sir. 5 forward and 1 reverse.
Okay.
So 5 plus and reverse you have the gears. Sir, this is a basic model, no? If you go with the top end model, you have a touchscreen music system.
Okay.
And with like you will have a Android Auto and Apple CarPlay.
Okay.
And you have a reverse camera which will be, you can see in the this thing mirror, the display which will get with the system.
Okay.
And these all things you will get in this car, sir. So apart from all these things, the value of this car is very reasonable compared to other brands and all. So the seat belt ఉంది కదా సార్ మీకు, సపోజ్ మనం హై స్పీడ్లో ఫోర్స్లో హై స్పీడ్లో మనం బ్రేక్ కొట్టాం అనుకోండి, సడన్గా మనం వెళ్తాం కదా సార్, అది అల్లకుండా అది హోల్డ్ చేస్తుంది మీకు.
ఓకే.
హోల్డ్ చేసి మళ్ళీ రిలీజ్ చేస్తుంది. దానివల్ల మీకు ఈ కాలర్ బోన్ మీద ప్రెషర్ పడదు. ఇది చాలా డెలికేట్ ఉంటుంది కదా సార్ కాలర్ బోన్.
అవును.
సో లోడ్ లిమిటర్స్ అండ్ అది ప్రీ టెన్షన్ చేసి లోడ్ లిమిట్ చేస్తుంది. ఇంకా మీకు సీట్ బెల్ట్ రిమైండర్ వార్నింగ్ ఉంది సార్ ఇప్పుడు.
ఓకే.
అన్ని BS6 కార్స్లో అది వస్తుంది. మీకు డ్రైవర్ కో డ్రైవర్ కూడా సీట్ బెల్ట్ రిమైండర్ ఉంటుంది. ఇద్దరు పెట్టుకోవాల్సి వస్తుంది, లేకపోతే మీకు అలారం సౌండ్ వస్తుంది.
ఓకే
సార్ 2 persons are traveling, you have armrest also sir, so it's a comfortable while driving on highways and all, and you have a cup holders also in this car. So generally you will not see in the entry level sedans, but in this car you have a armrest with cup holders, which is also a convenience features. So coming to the engine sir, like we have a petrol and diesel engine in this.
Okay.
Petrol is 1200 cc.
Okay.
And diesel is like 1.5 liter engine. Exact is 1498 cc in diesel, and petrol is 1199 cc. So in this మీకు 90 PS పవర్ వస్తుంది at the rate of 6000 RPM.
ఓకే.
Whereas diesel వచ్చేసి మీకు 100 PS పవర్ at the rate of 3600 RPM. కొలాప్సబుల్ ఇంజిన్ ఉంటుంది. ఒకవేళ ఏమైనా డ్యామేజ్ అయినా కూడా కొలాప్స్ అవుతుంది, బానెట్ మీద రాకుండా.
అవును.
ఆ సేఫ్టీ ప్రికాషన్స్లో ఉంటుంది. సో ఇంజిన్ వచ్చేసి మనకి 3 years అన్లిమిటెడ్ కిలోమీటర్స్ వారంటీ. ఏ బ్రాండ్లో మీకు అన్లిమిటెడ్ కిలోమీటర్స్ వారంటీ ఇయ్యరు సార్.
అవును.
ఈవెన్ మన వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మార్కెట్ లీడర్స్ ఆల్సో దే విల్ గివ్ యూ 2 years ఆర్ 40,000 కిలోమీటర్స్.
హోండా అనేది మనకి 3 years ఇస్తుంది.
3 years అన్లిమిటెడ్ కిలోమీటర్స్. అండ్ థర్డ్ ఫోర్త్ ఇయర్ ఆల్సో వీఆర్ గివింగ్ ఫ్రీ.
ఓకే.
సో 5 years you will get a warranty for the engine. Apart from that, another 5 years if you want to extend also, Honda is now they have implemented with 10 years warranty.
Okay.
So another 5 years also, which is
so customers కి బెస్ట్ సర్వీసెస్ ఇవ్వడానికే మీరు ఇలాంటి కంఫర్ట్స్ అనేది హోండా తీసుకుంటారు.
yes sir.
ఓకే.
అండ్ స్పార్క్ ప్లగ్ అయినా కూడా మీకు చాలా డ్యూరబుల్ ఉంటుంది, లాంగ్ లైఫ్ ఉంటుంది. వేరేస్ అదర్ బ్రాండ్స్లో మీకు 20,000-30,000 కిలోమీటర్లో చేంజ్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. దీనిలో అట్లా ఉండదు మీకు. So this is the ex-showroom price of this car, sir. SMT, which is starting from 6,81,900 ex-showroom price.
Okay.
So depending on your life tax will be applicable depending on your like you have any 2-wheeler or 4-wheeler additional car, second buyer or first buyer, and then you have insurance. So all things comes after that.
The on-road price ఎంత పడుతుందండి?
8,13,000 ఉంది sir.
Okay.
4th and 5th year warranty which we are giving free of cost. So we will not add that amount.
Okay.
So and then you have a roadside assistance if you want. You can take for 3 years, and 2 years also you have the roadside. 4 years also you have the roadside assistance.